Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Unit 5. It is called Communication. So let's start the unit. Here we have the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, its abbreviation is IoT. Let's look at the different paragraphs or texts to know more about the Internet of Things. Of course, the title of the unit is Communication. We are going to talk about the Internet, the social media, and how we can communicate with others using the different social devices or ways in order to contact with each other and to communicate with each other. Let's read the first text. Communication is no longer about people talking to one another, but about machines talking to machines. This is known as the Internet of Things. So, the meaning of IoT or the Internet of Things is the machines talking to machines. This is known as the Internet of Things, as we said. Technology is developing so fast that experts believe everyone will be connected to the IoT in a few years. Many things in our own homes are going to be connected to the IoT. This is called smart homes. Already, people can control their heating and lighting from their phones, but in the future, computers will make the decisions for us. They will even be able to say when the rubbish bins need to be emptied and control how much water we use. So, this is how our homes are going to be connected to the IoT or the Internet of Things. We can control our heating and lighting through our phones, and also the computers can make the decisions for us instead of using our brains. So the computers will take the decisions or make these decisions. They will choose the right time when we should empty our rubbish bins and when we can do many things in our homes. Cars can already connect to the internet using smartphones, but imagine if you can get a driverless car. Driverless car means a car without a driver to come and collect you using an app on your phone. All driverless cars will be electrical, they will be electric and much cleaner than petrol ones. Of course, the cars which will be driverless or without a driver will be much cleaner because they will not use petrol. They will be electric. So electric in general, electric cars are much cleaner than petrol ones. Experts think our roads will be safer as there will be fewer accidents using driverless cars. So, another advantage for the driverless car is that the number of accidents will be reduced. This is according to experts. They think that there will be fewer accidents because the cars are going to be driven by the computers. Many people don't think IoT is safe enough. So, in this paragraph, we are going to talk about the disadvantages of the IoT, or the Internet of Things. According to the people who think that IoT is not safe enough, they say computers collect information about people and businesses which criminals can steal. Of course, we all hear about the hackers and how people hack the accounts of others in order to know the bank accounts, for example, or personal information, and they can use this kind of information to gain money from the other people. These we call them criminals. And of course, if we are going to use the Internet of Things, and all our life is going to be connected to the computers and to the internet, so our personal information and all the data belong to us is going to be public. So it will be easy for such criminals or hackers to collect this data, and they can use it against others. So this is one of the disadvantage of the IoT. Let's continue. They use this information to hack into organizations like hospitals, power stations, and airports, and cause major security problems. Of course, this will cause very crucial security problems and serious at the same time. Let's go to make more understanding for the passage by answering the questions. What is the Internet of Things? It is machines talking to each other. Number two, what will computers do in the future that some people do already? Computers will make the decisions. So in the future, we will stop making the decisions by ourselves, and instead, computers will make such decisions for us. Number three, what won't people need to buy in the future? They won't need to buy petrol because we will use electric cars. Number four, what are some people worried about the IoT? Why are they worried about the IoT? Many people don't think IoT is safe enough, as we explained in the passage, because of our personal data, and the data of the organizations and power stations and airports will be public. So it's dangerous, and the criminals on the internet, the hackers, can use this data and gain people and gain money from people. What Number six, which organizations do criminals hack into? Hospitals, power stations, and airports. What more do you think the IoT may be able to do in the future? I here left the box without an answer in order to make you think about other things that the IoT can do for us in the future. Main vocabulary, we have the word communication. It's systems to communicate. Number two, internet, a worldwide computer network. Number three, technology, the use of science to create devices for everyday use. Four, connected, when more than one thing is joined or linked. 5. Security, to protect a place or person. 6. Smartphone, a device that can connect to the internet. 7. Hack, when a computer system is broken into illegally. 8. App, a computer program. So let's stop here, and we are going to continue the unit soon إن شاء الله.